Welcome back, students. In this video, we will be learning about the structure of an egg. So, eggs produced by different birds, they are of same kind internally. जितने भी birds होते हैं, उनके जो अंडे होते हैं, उनकी बनावट same होती है. Internally, they are of the same type. So, egg. The outer layer or the uppermost layer, this one. Can you see? The outer layer or the uppermost layer of an egg is called the egg shell. Egg की सबसे ऊपर की परत या सबसे ऊपर की layer को we call it egg shell. Now how is the egg shell? Egg shell is thin, hard. Egg shell कैसा होता है? Thin and hard, पतला और hard. And what is the function of the egg shell? Egg shell, it gives protection to the components which is present inside the egg. अंडे के अंदर जो components present है उनको protection देता है कौन? Egg shell. It is thin and hard and it is the topmost layer or the uppermost layer of an egg. This one. Then inside the eggshell के अंदर, inside the eggshell is present the egg membrane. ये वाला जो spirally I have marked now, that structure is known as the egg membrane. And egg membrane is present inside the egg shell. Can you see the egg membrane? It is present inside the egg shell. Inside the egg membrane is present a white colored jelly like substance which we call albumin. ये जो portion है पूरा white, this portion which you see, which you are seeing, the white one, this is called albumin, and albumin is a jelly-like white-colored substance. Albumin is protein-rich. Albumin is rich in protein. Now, inside this albumin is present a yellow-colored substance which we call the yolk. This is the yolk, and it is of yellow color. Now, yolk contains many nutrients like yolk is rich in fats, minerals and vitamin. Now, inside this egg, the embryo is present, the offspring, the baby is present. So, offspring or the young one, when it is present inside the egg, we call it embryo. जब young one या offspring egg के अंदर होता है, तब हम उसे क्या बुलाते हैं या क्या कहते हैं? Embryo. So, the embryo which is present inside this egg, it also needs nutrients and food, right, to grow and live for its survival. So who provides the embryo the food and the nutrients for its growth? It is the yolk. Yolk contains the necessary nutrients required for the embryo for its growth and survival. So let's have a quick revision. First of all, the offspring or the young one which is present inside an egg is known as embryo. The outermost layer of the egg is known as eggshell. Eggshell is thin and hard and it protects the internal components like the egg membrane, albumin, then yolk and embryo. It gives protection to them. Inside the eggshell is the egg membrane, this spiral structure. So inside the eggshell is the egg membrane. Inside the egg membrane is present albumin. Albumin is a jelly-like white-colored substance and it is rich in proteins. Inside the albumin, a yellow-colored substance is present which is known as the yolk. And yolk, it contains the nutrients required by the embryo for its growth and survival. So who gives the food or nutrient to the embryo inside the egg? The answer will be yolk. Yolk is rich in basically fats, minerals and vitamin. And what is embryo? When the offspring or the young one is present inside the egg, at that time we call it embryo. Now in the next video we will see the reproduction in case of fishes and birds.